we're alive. With the rattle.
All right. We are live, and we have a weird noise in the room, but we are in the men's parlor on the first floor. And we're here to try to investigate the best we can. So, if there's somebody here other than that noise, please make your presence known. Alright. Is there anybody in here want to talk to us? Lasting.
Yes, we're still lasting. We're persistent like that.
We're here to the end.
Dude, that is wind oriented. That wind is blowing.
That's some bizarre noise.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gotta be from the wind.
Well, I tell you what, ever since the wind's kicked up, it seems like there's a lot of noise inside this, not here, but just like
In the building.
in the building,
Like little wisps and whispers. That is bizarre. Let me mark this. Marking at 150. Oh no, that's a 4. Never mind.
You have a glass in them?
Yeah. I don't have my glasses with me. They're in the Jeep.
Alright, well I guess another 5 minutes in the rattle room.
In the rattle room. Yeah, man. That's just some crazy wind, though. Come on, talk to us. Where are you?
We're in the men's room, men's parlor. It's me and Mateo, 2 men hanging out in the men's parlor. Let's talk some guy stuff. You know,
Yeah.
that's what she said kind of things, you know?
That's what she said.
We have no beer, so we can't do that. I would think on a Saturday night, the men's parlor would be active. You know, somebody playing cards or talking about the guy stuff, you know? I don't know. That is weird, dude.
Dude, you should hear it out here. That is some serious wind. We're 9 in. Might as
Yeah,
well
let's
kill
go ahead
it.
and call it. It's
Yeah.
close enough to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So. End of EVP session in the men's parlor on the first floor at the Villa Kathrine Castle. Later.